Alright, I'll show you how to solder. Okay, the most important thing about soldering is called tinning.
Tinning?
Tinning. Okay, so you want to strip back. I always make them a little longer than needed, and you'll see why.
Tinning is when you take off that plastic part?
No, tinning is this part.
Oh, okay.
Alright, now a lot of people just heat up the solder. Now you want to heat up what you're putting solder on. So you want to let that heat up, and then you put the solder on. Or else solder connection will come off. So you just want to heat it. Let it heat
What
for a
it's
second.
going on.
Let it heat it for a moment, and
And then
then
you put the solder on.
you put a little solder, and then you hold it there till you see the solder run.
Okay.
Alright. Now we already identified the 2 points that it came off. This one is going to be the positive. So you just want to heat them both up. Yeah. Alright. Now what I was saying was, remember I said I made this a little longer than needed?
Yeah.
That's just to tin it.
And tinning is what?
Tinning is putting solder on the wire.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm just going to cut it. Too lazy to go get something that'll cut it. There's a scissors. Let me grab a scissors. Okay. Cut that. Identify this one as the negative. So now you don't have to worry about, do you have solder on because you already tin both sides, so both sides already have solder. There's solder here, and there's solder on your wire. That's the negative. So here's the same thing. Put it on, then you heat up the whole thing.
So am I heating up what's on the circuit board, or I'm heating up the little wire thing, right?
Wire and what's on the circuit board. You do it all at the same time. Like that.
Oop, there we go. My lights went on. I'll show them when we're done.
See?
So this is what we were fixing.
Very important. Very important stuff.
Yes, for me. My fall lights with my leaves.
Very important stuff.
So instead of throwing it away, look.
You do this, and you put the little thing in your pocket, and you walk around like a festival.
Ooh, I could be like a fall queen. I mean, fairy. That could be our costume.
No.
Why not? Because you have to match. You don't want to be...
That's it for the tutorial.
Bye.